here it is. The Clio's back in the workshop. We're working on it, including Luke. Now I will let you have a little sneak peek. Luke's actually painted the inside of his car. Now he chose this colour for a particular reason. Apparently it's black like his soul, but you know, that's just what he tells me. So yeah, it's all black inside now. He stripped the seat out, he's painted it himself. He managed to scotch and scuff up the inside, not like Tommy from B7TMY, who found out to his detriment that if you don't scuff up some paint, you'll probably get it flaking off. Ben's just fitting back the aero catches to the front, and we're just waiting on some final pieces of the bumper so that we can get that on. But in the meantime, we've got some other little bits and pieces that we'll let you know about a little bit later on that are going to go in the boot of this car. If you can guess before you see it in this video, then comment down below what you think it is. But for now, I'm going to leave you with the guys at the front putting it back together, because it's far more interesting than looking at me.
So, another day.
Are you happy?
Well, we're getting there.
Are you tired?
Mate, I was here till 12 o'clock last night doing that thing. I'm very tired, to be fair, but it's looking a lot better.
On the CCTV, you're on your phone most of
I know, yeah. Shannon said, if you don't get off your phone, you're not going to get anything done by the time I'd left. The one time I logged in, right? The one time I logged into the cameras, I saw Luke, and Luke's like this, going around the car, opening the doors. He must have been on like conference call with 700 people, letting him know what he was doing.
Oh, he's watching on me now. He's keeping tabs on me.
No. It was
not even here.
Time.
Not even here.
It was just the one time that I logged in. He was there.
He's done another one. He's lost another one. Look, bring him around here, Ben. How many is this now?
Sorry?
You just lost another one in there, didn't you?
Well, if you'd have fitted them properly and given us some space to do it, it would have been alright.
Yeah, but that's what we're doing. Not nice, clean. We don't cut it up, do we?
I know, but
Well, girls are doing bad bits. So how many's in there now, do you reckon?
Enough.
A good collection.
A good collection.
A good collection. They're just bits to entertain you on the way home.
Yeah. Oh, there goes another one.
That was two. That was two.
Mate, I better go for some speed bumps on the way home.
No, what we're going to do is drill a hole about here,
Mate, I have to drill a few holes.
Put a Renault, like the old Clio 16 valve scoop here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah?
That's a good idea,
yeah, the old Renault 19 scoop.
What, where does it go?
Well, when I've cut a big hole here, you can
go where it needs to get the bits out. But yeah, you're happy with the door so far?
Yeah, well, yeah, I've seen the door. Yeah, it's mental, isn't it? That guy's an absolute wizard. Although, apparently, for some reason, he was like, that's not very good. Yeah. If you've seen the state of the door beforehand, which you'd have all seen, it was battered, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
So,
but we've got bits to come back from Gav for the front so that we can make this quick release. We're just concentrating on doing the aero catches the way that you've done them before, which was probably the most awkward way you could ever do them. But
well, most
anyway.
people cut them out here, didn't they?
Yeah, exactly.
But I just wanted it to look clean, so
Did you?
I was a bit OCD at the
How clean does that look in comparison to the way that the car looked the other day?
Talk about that. Come on.
Yeah, real clean.
Real clean.
But yeah, it's been a task just getting it back from the paint shop and getting it done, because Gav was dead busy. But we needed Gav to do it, and then obviously we had to flip between Wilson's and Gav so that we could get it all done. But we're sort of we're working. It is what it is, isn't it, Luke?
I mean, it's the last day, but it's
last day going back together.
The time's on.
Yeah, but we don't paint here, so we had to subcontract that out.
I mean, overall, from what it was battered. So
it's a win. So how much do you reckon it's cost you today? Let's say 750 quid for paint and bodywork. Okay? Just put that to one side, because that's probably what it would have cost if it had been done.
And then we got parts on top of that, which was
so
about.
How much have you spent on
I think
parts?
the parts was about 400 to 500 pounds for the
So that was for the two wings, the two headlights, the reinforcer,
and the
driver's side hub. That wasn't too bad. I wonder how much. I reckon the hub would have been 350 quid new, would it?
Well, to be fair, when I rang up Rem Breakers, they even said, because they were like, look, we've seen you online and stuff like that, we'll give you a bit of a deal anyway. So that was with me getting a deal as well. So yeah, you're probably looking at about.
So, but it would have been about 350 quid, 400 quid for a hub,
just for the hub,
on its own, brand new, and then the wings would have been.
That's free.
We're
going to have to put a count on this. We have to put a nut count for every time one goes in.
So we would have had, what do you reckon, Ben? 150 quid per wing?
Yeah.
For new ones?
I don't know, yeah, probably.
Got to be 150 quid per wing. So
anything RS200, it's all different, isn't
so
it?
that would have been 700 quid. The headlights, what? Probably
They're like even from Euro, I thought they're like 200 quid a headlight each.
So that would have been 700, 1100 plus the reinforcer. Let's add another 150 quid for that. 1250 quid's worth of parts that you've got.
And then the bumper I got away with as well.
Yeah, you've got away with it, but in terms of actually physically buying parts,
it's still up there.
Yeah,
it's still a lot of money. I mean, if this was a normal Clio, on the other hand, probably like half the price, three quarters of the price of that.
Yeah, exactly. But as an overall win, you've spent very little money in comparison to a third of what you would have had to have spent on new parts, and probably saved some money because you're that Luke off TV that.
Luke off TV. Luke off TV that.
There you go, ding, another one. Another one, ding.
Hey, this is that's like there's got to be about 8 in there. I swear. I'm hitting some speed bumps on the way home, I'll tell you. Get them out. But yeah, no, it's all good.
Yeah, so are we going to tell them what else we're doing inside, or are you leaving that out of this video?
No, we'll tell them. We'll get them a bit hyped up for it. I mean, to be fair, we're getting the battery relocated.
So they can wonder why.
Ben's here, like, nah, not happening.
So battery relocated.
And
then you're going somewhere else.
Ben's got to fix the mount he put in last time. Only Ben.
It's not really fixed.
It came out with the impact of that crash.
But yeah, no, apart from that, and then obviously on Friday I've got to go to another place,
in
Lincoln to get something.
If you haven't already, then you probably have a look at his.
Well, you've supplied and fit a lot of their stuff before, haven't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, you'll be very interested to see what's going in then. It'll be good.
Yeah, but we're going to let Luke get on with putting his own aero catches back in, because Ben's totally had enough of it now. You can drop another 20 in there, Luke, because you're bound to. Because Luke probably said that he fitted these himself. Who fitted them for you?
No, I did not fit these myself.
Oh, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you didn't tell people you fitted these?
No.
Oh,
I was honest with that bit.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, there's some things I'm honest with.
Oh, right, okay, just
some things I'm honest with. This is one of them.
Yeah, so you didn't fit them?
No, I didn't actually fit them.
Who did that?
There's a chap called 𝘾𝙧𝙖𝙘𝙠𝙚 Fabrications down near me in Plymouth, who fitted them for me. He was going to cut these originally, but I was just like, look, can we do it in a cleaner way? And that's what he came up with cutting them in half and then sticking them on the inside, and done that. But
so he probably super glued the.
Well, I think it's not even super glued. I think it's double-sided tape or something, mate. To be honest.
No, I mean super glued the nuts to screw the fixtures into them.
Probably.
They're just dropping in.
They're just dropping in and out. But yeah, it's all good.
But yeah, we'll show you a bit more of the inside and a bit more of the rest of the car, and hopefully show you a battery in the boot. But for now, we'll let Luke get on with some work and let Ben try and fish some nuts out of this bonnet, Ben. Look, he's just googling how many nuts will a bonnet hold.
No, I'm googling how many fixings do them aero catches really need.
Stage are we at now then, Luke?
I don't know, I've lost count of what stage we're on, but I'm just going by panel at the minute, screw the stages, but we are looking good. We've got the black panel back on here now, Ben's fitted that one up. So you can see this bit was completely smashed up, it's all been sanded down and repaired. That's all sweet, won't even know anything's there, so that's all good. And then Ben's just figuring out how we're going to get the top part, which should actually, it's supposed to connect to this like usually, but because there's parts missing, to figure out a way in which we can get that on. So that's what's going on.
Where's that glue gun?
You're bodging some more, Ben?
No, I'm improvising, adapting and overcoming problems, mate.
So everyone's mucking in to get your car finished.
Yeah, mate, look at the state of this. The whole squad are out, the whole BD squad are in for this. Now, basically now we're just relocating the battery at the minute because of rules and regs. Apparently you have to have the battery relocated to the rear or central of the car, I think. So we've got Santa, we've got Ben, myself, having a great time. But Elias, have a look at your handiwork that you've just done. Come on, show the boys. So Lee, considering we've taken out the door cards, Lee's created a makeshift. Is it focusing or not? There you go, look at that. He's made a bit of a makeshift holder for the, for the window regulator to move up and down with, so that's sweet. And then all the inside of the car's black, but yeah, that's looking lovely. But apart from that, we'll just get the last bits ready, haven't we, Lee?
Yeah, man.
Still looking sweet. Darren is not around at the minute, but he will be back soon, apart from that. And then Santa as well is also machine polished down the back of the car, because as you can see we've removed the wrap now on the rear because it's getting re-wrapped anyway. We've also done a lovely bit of DIY for that bit down there, as you can see. But she's got a lovely back. You're right, Ben. What? Yeah, I know, I told him it was. There's no rain getting in that now. What's corrosion anyway on the plastic panel? Thanks, isn't it? Handbrake on that is solid. What's that then?
Battery box. You can't just have it in floating round,
Yeah, I know,
can you?
that. Is that big enough?
We'll soon find out.
we will soon find out.
Go on then, get it out and I'll see if it'll fit in.
Yeah? Alright.
Let me just put the macro lens on.
What for?
Need a wide
Are you
angle.
getting your
Need a
dick
wide
out?
angle for me, Lee.
Are you getting your
Wide
dick
angle.
out, are you?
Did you say you need a wide angle for Darren?
No.
Oh. Why does he
I don't
always
know, he
have
always
to be
comes in and picking on
horrible
you, innit?
to
He's
me?
coming in and picking on you. It's always the man behind the camera doing that, isn't it?
I know, yeah.
Are we dismantling this, or is it actually going to be big enough? Because I don't want to dismantle it if it's not big enough. Fucking hell, man. Who the wraps this up? Look at the state of this, like past the parcel, isn't it? Open wrapping one bit, and there's another bit to go round. Yeah, I should probably just cut it, shouldn't I? Probably been a better idea.
So what's it like working back on Clio's again, Ben?
Loves it, really.
Look at that, I look sexier than him for once. I've had my hair done, he hasn't.
I know.
What were you doing?
Hey?
Tom said he could have done your hair.
You could have done mine?
Yeah.
You look like Elvis now.
Fuck,
Look at that
mate.
switch back.
Bit of thingy. But anyway, less about me, more about this.
Yeah.
So we've done the latches, we've done the quick release, we've put the front on. All you need to do now is get a Renault badge.
Yeah.
We've done the remote battery. That splitter, I just can't believe.
It survived.
For anyone who hasn't looked them at, what are they called?
Wieder Motorsport.
Wieder Motorsport.
Yeah.
Man, that is the thickest thing I've ever seen in my life. Proper quality. If you're Wieder Motorsport, if you're watching this, get on it with making some front splitters for Focus RSs and STs.
They'll have a
Anything like that, because mate, that is unreal. That the bumper collapsed, it got like mashed into bits. Demolished, and that thing stayed in one piece.
It was magic, wasn't it?
Absolutely mint. It fits up all right. Obviously, we've got the quick releases on the side, so it's never going to fit perfectly because it hasn't got the bolts to hold it in there. And to be fair, like these bits weren't in one piece, so.
I mean, personally, I think it was better than when it.
Mate, honestly,
I think it's
for
better
what
than
we've achieved from what was a load of bits that we picked up, or you picked
This was
up
ready
off
for
the
a
ground.
scrappy. This was pretty much.
It wasn't as bad as you thought, but for the bodywork that we picked up in bits and pieces, man, it was amazing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If nothing else, for Luke for taking all the abuse he has, for Wilson's for welding the front here because it looks amazing.
Honestly.
For Gav for doing the paintwork,
Everyone.
for Ben for sorting the jobs out and everything.
Ben's been magic.
Yeah, for Luke for helping out, for Bennett from getting behind the camera and actually helping out, well, giving everyone advice.
Yeah, I
on
mean,
the
if there's
job,
anyone
you know.
watching on it from my viewers, honest, give these guys a subscribe.
It's been fun. It's been good.
Awesome, yeah.
Our subs don't really like this sort of stuff because mainly I think they dislike you.
Yeah, but the thing is, if you're looking for a bit, I mean, I'm not saying this because I'm just with these guys now. Like, Darren's helped me out thick and thin, and like, for me to come up, this is the reason why I travel. It's not just because like we're good friends and stuff like that. It's the quality of work and that as well that these guys put in. So honestly, it was
fun. It was actually a lot of fun. We've had a good time. It's been, you know, from the moment Luke got here, it's been amusing, to be fair. From Luke painting his interior, saying to me, how am I going to do this? Me advising him to use Scotch pads, and apparently I found out earlier that he didn't bother. I'm sure you will have seen that in the video, but he didn't bother using the Scotch pads. So who knows how long that's going to last? Comment down below. If you want to see more content with LBTV, then let us know. If you never want to see a French baguette ever in your life, then let us know.
Maybe put out another French cars.
Yeah, man. If you haven't subscribed to either of our channels, where have you been? It's a bit weird because you're watching us just for no reason. So hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to stay notified on both channels, and we've had a great time. It's like, I don't know, my watch says it's got like 7 o'clock
but it's
now.
Been a matter of how many days? Like 3 or 4 days. It's just, and then plus the time before when you were filming everything. So
it's been madness, but it's all good. Thanks to Lee for staying behind.
Doing a few years of filming.
It's all been good. But for now, we'll see you in the next video. I'm sure we'll see this Clio again because I'm sure
I'll stack it another time.
Done the back very hard this time. Yeah. So
I'll do a 360 and we'll do the back end.
Yeah, we might as well do the sides as well. Peace out, people. Stay safe and take care. See you later.